Hi guys, it's your girl, okay, Touched by Tiny. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in and welcome back to my channel. Oh, okay, there is always a reason to my madness, okay? My hair is looking absolutely ridiculous and just all over the place. The reason for that is, so I recently had to step out and go somewhere and I was in a rush and I just didn't know what to do with my hair. So I had to figure something out real fast, and I decided, okay, the quickest hairstyle I can do for the time frame that I was, dealing with is to throw it in a ponytail, throw it in a bun. So the outfit I had on, I didn't really want to do like a braided bun or a braided ponytail. So I was like, you know what? Girl, just do a twist knot bun, whatever it's called. So I decided to do a bun. With the bun, you guys, honestly, my hair, it was like 5 to 8 minutes, honestly, because my hair was already straight from my blowout, and so it made it a little bit easier. So if you're natural, I highly recommend for you to blow dry your hair as best and as much as you can, so that the ponytail can be easy to, fully go up, right? So when I did my hair, you guys, and I went to the event that I had to attend, I got a lot of questions as far as the style. Everybody's like, oh my God, how did you achieve this look? That is so cute. I want my hair like that. La la la. So I was like, oh my God, why didn't I record this? So I took my hair down. It's been maybe let me see. It was like 3 days, you guys, with the ponytail. It was still looking good. It was still looking cute. But I managed to get off work early today. So I was like, you know what? Let me use this time to record for you all. And since I've been getting questions about it anyways, let me just show you guys how to achieve the look. Okay? So, this is what you would need to achieve the look. For this style, honestly, it really don't require you to have much, to be honest. I am using the expression pack, you guys. And for the expression, it comes with 3 bundles on there. And I'm using about a bundle and a half, almost to 2 bundles of hair. You can use any hair you prefer, but like I said, I am using a bundle and a half of the expressions pre-stretch hair, because I just feel like it'll be easier to manage and easier to deal with. And when it's pre-stretched, like the ends of the hair, when it looks like this, it'll be easier to wrap around, and without me having to use an extra rubber band to hold the knot down, and everything was just honestly just wrap around naturally because it's already pre-stretched. So that's very important, versus then the actual blunt hair. The blunt hair is harder to work with and harder to hide because the ends are super blunt. So make sure you get the pre-stretched hair. I think it's easier and it looks better. You would need hair gel, which can be purchased at touchedbytiny.com, you guys. This hair gel, honestly, and not because this is my brand, okay, but this hair gel is perfect for my natural heads. It's perfect for my curly heads. This gel makes everything pop. And so yeah, touchedbytiny.com. So you need hair gel, edge control for my baby hair girls, okay, because I am planning on swooping the baby edges to the gods. Of course, you need a comb. I have my white tooth comb, and then my detangling brush, which also can be found at touchedbytiny.com. And the reason why, I know some, like, my hair may look like it's straight, but the reason why I am using a detangling brush, you guys, is because, like I said, my hair was already up into the bun. So there's a few products in there, and that's why it probably look kind of stringy and just, So I have to comb through all of that to make sure that my hair is not going to break, and that I won't be pulling and tugging and doing all the extra stuff. So this is why I have my detangling brush. But if you are a natural head, or if you just don't like extra pulling and tension on your head anyways, touchbytiny.com. The best brush out. Okay. Oh, and of course you need a hard bristle brush to, you know, to make sure your hair is like super slick back. So here we go, you guys. I am just going to brush all this product out of it before we get started. Now that our hair is combed out and ready to go, let's get the party started. This is going to be super quick, you guys, I promise. So just go ahead and just pull your hair up wherever you like your hair. If you want a high bun, or if you want it, you know, in the middle, or if you want it lower back. For me, baby, I'm gonna go with the high bun because the way this forehead is set up, okay, I want to make sure that you know, I look cute. So I am going for the high bun. Here we go. So I'm going to do my best by showing you guys step by step how to apply the ponytail, and then I'm going to slay my edges, then briefly run through the ponytail. Okay, you guys, so there's different ways of doing this, okay? So one method that I love, which is what we about to do right now, is this is my natural hair right here. I'm gonna take the weave or the braiding hair, making sure that they're completely even. Then I'm gonna take the hair and wrap it through the back, okay? So it should look like this. So you will have it just like that, all right? So leave it like that. And then we're going to take the natural hair, if I can see. Everything is like harder on camera, y'all. So, and then I'm going to split my natural hair as well and have them each for a bundle. The reason why I'm doing this is because some of you guys may know, oh, that's my little dread. Some of you guys may know I recently just got a haircut and my hair is gonna try to come out the braiding hair, so I have to make sure I improvise. So if you have a blunt cut, or if you just recently got a trim, this is the perfect method for you, okay? So we're gonna take this, and what we're about to do is a 2-finger twist. So we're just gonna take one hand, flip it over. All right, and make sure you do this closest to the root as possible. And we're just gonna keep twisting it. And like I said, the reason for this for me is because of my natural hair. Edges time. Touched by Tiny in a toothbrush. Now that the edges are slayed, I am going to do my actual ponytail installment. And don't forget, you guys, to split the hair in 2 parts. And then you're going to do a quick 2-finger twist, as if you will. And then we're just going to twist the hair, twist the hair, twist the hair. I have to use a lot of products with like gel and got to be, because you all know I did recently just get a haircut. So my ends are super blunt. So right now I'm just twisting, 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 and then the hair is going to naturally curve on its own. So yeah. The placement of the ponytail honestly is really up to you, and the tighter you twist the hair, the more of a curve the ponytail is going to give you. And I like to actually twist the hair downwards. If you can tell, I'm just tucking it in at the bottom or the base of the hair. And once again, the tighter you twist, the better I think it looks. This is why using pre-stretch braiding hair is better. You see how the ends look so natural, so it makes it easier to just keep tucking that underneath without having to use bobby pins. All done. And that's all, folks. Yay! Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you at home can try this quick, easy, simple, oh my god, so simple hairstyle. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, peace and love.